In this video, I will show you how to streamline imports in your Flutter project by making your code more readable, maintainable, and efficient using barrier files. A barrier file is a single .dat file that exports multiple other files or libraries from the same directory or module. By doing so, it creates a central access point, allow you to import multiple files with just a single import statement. There are three benefits of using barrier files. Firstly, it simplifies import. With fewer import statements, you reduce the clutter in your code. Secondly, improves readability. Barrier files provide a clear structure for relevant files, making it easier for others to understand your project structure. Lastly, reduces boilerplate. By centralizing your imports, you eliminate repetitive import statements across different files. Now, let me show you an example. So here I have created a models folder that stores 3 different model files. Each file contains a separate model class. Before using a barrier file, if you need to use any of this model class, you have to import each model individually like this. Now let's simplify it by creating a barrier file. So in the same directory, I will create a models.dat file within the model directory. In this file, I will export all model files in the same directory. So this is the barrier file. Now, instead of importing each model individually where you need them, we can now just import models.dat file. Models.dat file now becomes the entry point for all models class in the same directory. In summary, using barrier files can improve the organization, readability, and maintainability of your Flutter codebase. They help you cut down on repetitive code, reduce boilerplates, and make your codebase cleaner. Let me know if you like more tips on Flutter project organizations or other aspect of Dart development in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.